Hello folks, it's me, Felix the Handyman. This virus thing is getting kind of heavy duty. So, um, I know there's a shortage of masks and stuff like that, but, you know, it's only logical. If everybody wears a mask, then we don't have to worry about this problem. We can nip it in the bud. It's because figure it out. Get a clue. Hey, they say on TV, and media always lying to you, but the TV says that only the people that are sick have to wear a mask. So, all I'm saying is, if only the sick people wear a mask, okay, and everybody else don't have to, that's kind of silly because who knows who's sick. So, I know there's a shortage of face masks, so look up my DIY face mask, and you'll find out that you can make a face mask real cheap, real simple. All you do is take a book cover, that on, take a piece of Velcro, put it on your hat, put it on a bonnet, put it on whatever, as long as it covers your face. Because the face masks, they cover 95%. Okay? That face shield, excuse me. A face mask, those cover about 94%. But hey, if we all did some kind of protection, you could even take air filter from a furnace that's certified for microorganisms and make face mask out of that. The thing is, we all got to wear it. That's the only way we're going to stop it. Because nobody knows who's sick. So if we all wear it, just like they do in other countries, then we won't be getting infected. Okay, well, you guys have a nice day. Once again, it's Felix the Handyman. Take care now.